Good morning. Today we have to study about vapor absorption refrigeration system. Vapor absorption refrigeration system, where is used, how its components part working, which type of the refrigerant are used. We have to study about that's a different study material. The content we have to cover in this PPT: introduction, principle of operation, basic of VCR system line diagram, working fluid for vapor absorption refrigeration system. We have to say as a short form in VARS. What is design of VRS? Understanding of VAR system, comparison between VAR system and VCR system. VCR system means that the vapor compression refrigeration system. That's our first part of this our today's study is introduction. The basic aim of this presentation is to provide the basic background and review existing lectures on VARS, vapor absorption refrigeration system. VRS is also belongs to class of vapor cycle similar to VCR cycle. VCR cycle means vapor compression refrigeration system. It's comparatively similar to VARS. There is a number of working part, refrigeration cycle, refrigerant, most principle are same as a consideration. However, in VCRS, mechanical work is required as a input, so it is called a work operated cycle. And unlike VCRS, required input in VARS is low grade thermal energy, so it's called a heat operated cycle. VCRS cycle is a required to mechanical work and VRS cycle is required a thermal energy. Next topic is that VARS is heat operated system, then waste industrial heat or solar thermal energy can be used for it. Then we have to detail study about the VRS system. It's a required a low grade energy, thermal energy or a solar heat energy to operate a VAR system. It helps to reduce problem related to global environment as a greenhouse effect from CO2 emission from utility planet. Then we have to using this type of the cycle VARS. It's a already protect ozone deflection, to protect global environment, not creating any types of the greenhouse effect. It's not creating CO2 emission. And then after you to say that the using of VRS cycle is a comparatively green planet cycle. Electrically purchased from the utility planet of VCRS can be reduced. Another major difference in VCRS, commonly used for CFC as a refrigerant or working fluid in the cycle, thus causes a ozone deflection and there is a more prominent. VAR use natural refrigerants such as a NH3 and H2O. VRS system is using NH3 and H2O. NH3 is a main refrigerant and H2 is an absorber. COP of VARS system is much lower than VCRS. Although the VRS seems many advantages compared to VCRS, still dominated to all market sector. In order to promote the use of absorption system further, development is required to improve performance and reduce the cost. We have to show that the principle of operation in VRS cycle. Working fluid in VRS is binary solution consisting of refrigerant and absorber. There is a required two fluid. One is a binary solution and secondary is a refrigerant and absorber. Absorb refrigerant causing present to reduce and rejecting the some amount of heat and make a stable solution. We have to study about detail in a VCRS cycle in diagram. From figure we have to showing in two figure A and B. The refrigerant is obtained by the connecting two vessels, left vessel containing a pure refrigerant while right containing a solution of refrigerant and absorber. This is the first figure A. Have to guess that the refrigerant and absorber are mixed, and the figure B is the refrigerant is a pure, then another absorber is drained out in the second vessel. This is the basically an intermediate system, means continuous refrigerant defect we cannot get. In a VAR system, it's not a continuous system, it's not working in a continuous basis, it's give a intermediate cooling effect. As the cooling process cannot be produced continuously, so we need a system which give a continuous refrigeration. This is the basic VAR system line diagram. Condition first component part in the VAR system is generator. Generator are getting heat from the waste heat, sunlight or another heat we have to give from the external side. Then after this refrigerant on H2O passes through the conditioner. In between conditioner and generator, the H2O is separated and returned back to drawn into the generator, and pure NH3 gas will pass to the conditioner. This will be conditioner. Conditioner, the main function is that it remove heat from the ammonia gases and convert into the gas form to liquid form. Then after another component is rectifier. Rectifier work is that they collect the all liquid NH3 refrigerant and only pass liquid refrigerant to expansion device. Then after the refrigerant pass through a evaporator to refrigerant NH3 pass through absorber, and absorber to pass to a generator. We have to understanding about in detail VAR refrigeration system. First component part we have to shown in generator. This generator are not a power producing unit. Most of the student out that understand for generator is a power producing unit, but in VAR cycle this generator are not a power producing unit. This is the basically one type of the heat cover and transfer to refrigerant and absorber H2O. We have to give heat to a generator. In generator, H2O and NH3 liquid are available. After the saturation point, the H2O and NH3 vapor become and in pass through the condenser. In between generator and condenser, there will be one analyzer and one rectifier mounted for the separation of H2O and pass only NH3 vapor to condenser. The condenser will the gas refrigerant convert into the NH3 liquid refrigerant, and the more heat are rejected to a condenser. After the conversion of liquid refrigerant is passed to a throttling device, but in VAR system we say as a pressure reducing valve, not an expansion device. Expansion device are mostly used in VCR system, and pressure reducing valve is used in a VAR system. Then after the expansion valve, the NH3 liquid passed through the evaporator, which were here cooling space. The cooling space, after the throttling device, the refrigerant is a low pressure and low temperature rise. Then this refrigerant absorbs the heat from our unclosed spaces. This low pressure refrigerant vapor passed to an absorber. The absorber is already a some of the weak solution are available. There is a two terms here, weak solution and strong solution. Weak solution means that the H2O content is higher and NH3 content is lower, and strong solution means that the NH3 content is higher and H2O content is lower. Weak solution means that we have to separating the H2O from the generator is back to a absorber, and NH3 are passed through the condenser evaporator and returned to absorber. There is a many more NH3 container available, so that we have to say as a strong solution. Strong solution are passed through a pump and returned back to it generator, and the working cycle is continue operated. Comparison between VAR system and VCR system. There is a requirement of mechanical work in VCR system, and VAR system require a rejected heat from any another places, so we can operate the generator and running the system. However, a large amount of heat is required to solution pump work is negligible compared to it. We have to consider as a compressor work in a VCR system and pump work in a VAR system, but pump work is a very negligible power using compared to VCR system. Now the COP of VCR and VAR is given by COP for VCR as QE, heat absorbed in evaporator, and work done by compressor. For on the COP of VAR system, QE, heat absorbed by evaporator divided by heat heat supplied by generator and work of pump. If you have to combinedly, we have to say that the pump work is very lower and we have to negligible pump work. Then after, the final equation is heat absorbed by the evaporator and heat supplied to the generator. Since the VARS use heat energy and COP is much smaller than VCR system, because of the, you have to give a low pressurized system and using a temperature by the generator, we have to get very low COP in the VAR system. VAR system also give a negligible temperature that they will consider as a 5 on centigrade maximum to temperature drop, and VCR system gives a many more temperature drop up to 200 on centigrade negative temperature. Comparing of this system is not fully justified by COP, as the mechanical energy is more expensive than thermal energy. Okay, thank you.